Hi everybody, so I'm back with another unboxing. Anyways, this is the March 2018, that's the year we're in. March 2018 Ipsy bag. I was expecting it and I got it yesterday, so let's dive right in. I got it last night because I came in late from class, so let's just cut it because sometimes it gives me a hard time to open. So we will cut. All right. Okay, let's see what's inside. I did see this on the website. I didn't look at any other thing but the bag, and they say it's, is anything else in here? Oh no. You could like color the women, their hair, and you could be creative and make it your own bag, so that's interesting. All right, first of course we have the little card that tells you about this month's bag and the inspiration behind it, and it says this month turn yourself and your world into a work of art. So I guess that's where this came from. And okay, fine, yes. We can't wait. I can't read people. We can't wait to see what you create. Okay, so let's just, I have not seen these. All right, I have not seen anything in here, so I'm just gonna put my hand in, close my eyes. Okay, so okay, these are markers, pink and green, so that you could color the bag itself. So I'm gonna take green since apparently I'm in a green mood. And what am I gonna do? I'm gonna give her some green streaks. So let's see. This is kind of cool. It takes me back to nursery school, back in the day. The marker's pretty good. And I need to get a brown one so I could, you know, put some melanin on this black canvas. All right. Ooh, there she is. Isn't she pretty? Okay, let's just put that aside. That was a nice touch. I like that because the other bag that I got, which was February, this was cute, but it's kind of getting a little dirty because I actually use this. I actually put the little makeup items that I take to class or school. All right, so dun, 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 dun. I feel a box. Okay, this is the first item. And this is the Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics. What is it? It doesn't say what it is. It does like give you, let's focus on this, like the little social media handles. All right, I'm assuming it's a highlighter like the one I got last time because I loved, and I'm loving this one that I got from last month. So I did a review on that, so maybe they were like, okay, let's send her more highlighters since she loves that one. And yeah, it is a baked highlighter. It's, the other one was more of a rose gold. This seems to be more bronze than anything. Let's see if I could swatch that. Oh, okay. It's like a... Ooh. Okay. Okay. Do you see this? This is gonna be pretty, and it's very... Like, I swipe and it's still on my fingers. This is nice. This is nice. I love highlighters. This is very bronze. Very bronze. I like this. It's not too bright. It's gonna be really good on my... Let's see if I can put it on my cheek. I already have on a little bit of highlighter, so I don't know if you're gonna see, but let's put it like right there. I don't know if you could see. You probably can't. Probably can, but it's nice. Yeah, that looks a lot better. It's nice. I like this. So item number 1 is a hit. So let's move on to... Okay. I'm not gonna look. And... what is this? It says it is the Rodeo Glamo Brow Precision Eyebrow Pencil in dark ash brown, and emphasizes that it's not for sale. I don't know if I could show that to you. Oh, I can. Guess I can. So, Rodeo. I've never heard of this brand, ever. My eyebrows aren't brown, but let's see if it's dark enough. And let's see if I could actually open this, because you guys know me, I can't open things well. I never get it okay, all right. Never say never. Prime example. Okay, so it looks a lot better here. And this is very much full size. Both products were full size. Okay. And so what's this side for? Oh. So this is like the nice little spoolie section. My brows are not perfect at all, so don't judge me. But let's see. I don't like this tip. I don't know. Let's... Okay, this is definitely how it's described, as a dark ash brown, because this is ashy. So I'm guessing, oh, okay, so you just turn it and it goes up, but it's so slim. I guess that's good and bad, because at least you get a good amount of product. You do get a good amount of product. Let's see, it's coming up ashy on me, yeah, but it probably would be a good brow color. Let's see. I don't know. I probably should not have makeup on. So this is where the diameter of the thing being slim is actually turning out to be a good thing, because it forces you to make very small strokes, you know. You can't see, but it's showing up on me, but I think I would have to probably use this at the beginning of my brow and not on the end. But it's iffy. So this item number 2 is like a 7 out of 10. All right, the first one was 10 out of 10, by the way. All right, so let's go back into the bag. The next thing that I pull out is this Glossier. Is that how you pronounce it? I hope that's how you pronounce it. Glossier or Glossier. I don't know. Is it French? What is it? Doesn't? Oh, my bad. It's a rosebalm.com universal skin salve. So it's like a balm? Like a lip balm, maybe? You know what? I should probably go on the website and tell you guys. Ooh, it's pink. It's pink. I should probably go on the website and see exactly what each of these things are. It's pink, you guys. Yes. Yes, it's definitely like a nice little lip balm. And it's probably good for the rest of your skin as well. It's nice. It feels really good. This is gonna be good on the lips. I already have on lip gloss, so like, yeah. It feels real good. Like, I feel like I could put it on my elbows and it would feel very silky, very smooth. Feels like it's very conditioning. Smells amazing. Oh my gosh, I love this. 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. Just because like I haven't put it on my lips to actually know. All right, so we have, this was number 3. I only feel 2 other things left in here. This is very small. This is very small. This is like half the size of this. But it is Tarte, so I guess it should be of good quality. If you would focus, my man. Camera, camera. What is wrong with you? I cannot. There we go. So it's Tarte, and this is the Sex Kitten eyeliner, I'm assuming. Oh, this cat is so cute. Yes, it is an eyeliner. Why don't these people put what it is? Y'all, this is so small. Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Really, Tarte? Anyways, it's just a sample. I guess you're supposed to just fall in love with this and then go buy the full size, but I could use this out in like a week. Anyways, let's swatch it. Let's swatch it. It looks very black, I must say. Let's see. All right. All right, there we go. Pretty good. It looks lighter because the light is like directly there, but it's pretty dark. Very matte black. So last but certainly not least, drum roll please. Da 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 da. We have this, which actually feels like a full-size product. This is the True Fora Triple Action Exfoliator. I guess this is for your lip. Look at you focusing without me touching the camera. Oh. Anyways, it says how to use. Apply a thick layer to clean damp skin all over face, avoiding the eye area. Leave on skin for up to 5 minutes. Using gentle circular motions, massage the whole face for 30 seconds. Oh, it's for your face. Oh, I thought it was for your lips. My bad. Anyways, but I take it back. This probably is just a sample, but it feels like really big in comparison to like these two, you know? So, but let's see what it, oh, it has a thing on it. You see when you're suffering from this accustomed, see? Okay, that's a Guyanese word, guys. Do not drag me. I can speak perfect English if I want to. All right, let's. Ooh, it has some nice little micro. You can't even see it, but it's there. Little micro beads. Doesn't have a particular scent. Like, there literally is no scent, but it feels really good. But I'm sure you could use this for your lips as well, because if it's for your face, then it should be for your lips as well, since your lips are on your face. Anyways, I digress. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These were the 5 products that came. I guess we could say that this is like 6 along with the markers, because that was a nice touch. I really liked that. So how would I rate this month's bag? It was a pretty good bag. I liked it. It seems like they're following my profile pretty darn good. There's certain things that I told them that I didn't want and they did not send to me. I liked it because these are actually functional. I like the exfoliator. I like the lip balm, especially in this type of weather because New York is still cold. I could never get enough black eyeliners. This is like the only iffy product simply because it's not my shade, but I do like the spoolie. Oh, okay, the spoolie end, so that could work as simply a spoolie. And I love this highlighter. I think I might like it more than the previous one that I got, because this is more rose gold and this is bronze, so like it depends on the look that you're going for. And it is really creamy. I think it's a little bit more creamy than the Luna highlighter. Oh, I love this one, but I'm excited for this. So I would say this month's bag is good. This month's bag is good. I'm gonna say that for sure. And I really ooh, look at this. I didn't show you guys this. It says Ipsy by at PC Witten. I guess this is the artist that made this, so shout out to them. They did a good job. If you guys had your Ipsy bag, do tell me what you got. Did you get different things? And if you would like to see my profile, exactly the things that I chose, because I made like a little screen recording of it, do comment below and tell me what you think about these products. Have you tried them for yourself? Are you excited to try them? And thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video. I think I have BIRCHBOX coming up. Guys, it's my chair that's making the noise, okay? I don't have flatulence, but I have BIRCHBOX and something else, I can't remember. Oh, the BIRCHBOX and something else, but I will definitely let you guys know. So please like, comment, subscribe, and comment your honest thoughts. Give me constructive criticism, what you would like to see more of, etc. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye. Ha.